Hi everyone. So I have a parcel and I think it has books in it. Not one size se lag raha hai ki ek hai, but I think it has two because of the way how it feels and the shape of it. I am not sure yet, but we will be unboxing these books hopefully together. Also, I'm having tea with you guys today. So if you're watching this video with a cup of tea in your hand, just know we're basically having a book cafe moment right now. Before I open this book parcel, let me tell you how I received this parcel and what all happened yesterday. Yesterday, actually, I was on a road trip to Khatu Shamji in Rajasthan, and somewhere in the middle of the drive, I got a message from my sister. Sent me a picture of an Amazon parcel, which was this one, and I had to write that home. And all the questions in my head were, did I really order it, or is it a barter collab that I had received, or something like that. When I got back home, I kept the book in my cupboard, and when I felt it, when I touched it, it felt like there were two books in it, and I was so happy. And something in that moment uh, clicked in me that it might be a barter collab that I had been in conversation with a book publishing house earlier. Let's find out together in this video. The journey, by the way, to Khatu Shamji was actually pretty exciting. I felt like I was missing something till now. We passed by rolling hills, probably the Aravali ranges, stretches of open land, and the sky actually kept changing moods. It all started off very sunny, very brighty, very golden kind of shades were there, but somewhere in the middle it turned into very cloudy. It was pretty dark, even though it was 10 a.m. in the morning. And just like that, just when we reached outside the entry gate of the temple, it started raining. It was one of those typical monsoon rides that included Bollywood music. There were homemade food that my mother had prepared, and we ate it at one of the dhabas. And there were shopping included. There were many moments where I was just creating Snapchat videos of the skies and the clouds. And we hadn't had anything like this in a while, like a family sort of a setup and going on a drive. So it was something that was a bit nostalgic also to me. And today, when I woke up, it was raining pretty heavily, like really heavily. I opened the gate to my balcony and was just amazed. I was just happy right in the morning. Love rains. And today was a type of a day when you just need a hot cup of tea and just a book in your hand. Now that my tea is halfway done, let's unbox the book now and keep this aside for a while. Let's unbox this together. If these are books from a publishing house, then I would just like all of you to know that this is one of the first barter collabs sort of with the publishing house on this page. So here's to the first on this page. I can already see the titles, so pretty excited about it. And I guessed it right, it has two different books. Let me just, you know, bring them to life in front of you. This is the first book. This is the second one. Let me just see. So the first one is called Pilgrims of Reflection by Adrija Chatterjee, and the second one is Tinted by Deepayan Chakrabarti. And both of these books are a collection of short stories, and I guessed it right. It is from the Bartok Lab by a publishing house called Half Baked Beans Publishing. Let's see how these two books turn out. Let me just read their blurbs out for you. The Pilgrims of Reflection is these seven short stories spanning across 16 protagonists collectively navigate through individual evolution of ordinary lives when pulled into out of the box circumstances. While Meera and Naveen try to find their real selves across their peculiar past, in another, Jeevan is shaken up when a mysterious woman turns up in his shabby life and bookstall. One of the stories revisit the year 2020 to grasp how the pandemic shaped and transformed relationships and our take on class division in society we otherwise would never think about. Through each of the stories, the characters merge towards version of their existence they never knew could exist. I think this is going to be a really nice short story collection because Blurb itself was really nice, really good actually. Second book, Tinted, a collection of short stories by a brain stroke survivor. The book is a collection of stories that allow a peek into the life of some extraordinary individuals representing a wide range of attitudes, with tales of love and loss, horror, fantasy, adventure, sin, and sensibility. The quest for identity of the new home, climate change, bird conservation, and the triumph of the human spirit. The book is concise, diverse, and has an unexpected twist at the end of each story. For me, both of these books are quite promising. Both of these have really different kinds of what a reader should expect from them. Covers also are really nice. Let me just show them to you. And I'll see you in the next video.